Okay, folks, so we just made it up the stairs. As we head to the right, let's check out the first queen bedroom in the upstairs. Such gorgeous furniture. Again, ensuite bathroom. This one even has a tub. And look at that. TV number 4? Yes, it is. And I really should show you that the closets are really awesome. They all come with built-in shelves and with drawers. So there's tons of space for all your clothes and especially those bathing suits. Heading down the hall is the first of 2 twin rooms on this level. How cute is this furniture? Love the artwork too. TV 5. Now here's the second living room. Nice and cozy. Great place for a family or a bunch of kids to separate out and be able to watch their own stuff on TV 6. And remember, all smart TVs, which I think is brilliant. So this way, everybody can plug in and watch whatever it is they want. Netflix or Amazon Prime or YouTube if you're talking my kids. Oh, second twin room. So cute. Something really neat about this twin room is that its bathroom, see here, is accessible also right off the living area. So again, nobody has to run off to find their bathroom. It's easily accessible from 2 spots. And the second floor also features one of the 2 master suites with a huge king bed. Again, really gorgeous furniture here. And they also have not 1, but 2 walk-in closets. So again, tons of space, both hanging and drawers and shelves. I mean, we might never leave. And check out this bathroom. Oh my gosh. Soaking tub, walk-in shower, private bath. I mean, everything was thought of. Everything is here. I guess all we needed to bring was bathing suits and flip-flops. But from the looks of all the luggage that everybody brought, I think we'll be unpacking a little bit more. So heading back out through the living room, you wouldn't believe it, but we've already seen 1, 2, 3, 4 bedrooms on this level. But now as we walk through another bar area, even more cabinet space. Check that out. And check out this sweet little craft and game area for kids, built right in by the stairs. And then we have bedroom number 5 on the second floor. Another TV. I'm going to have to do a count again. Gorgeous quilted queen bed. Beautiful closet. Lots of space. This bedroom even has a Juliet balcony. Well, you can step out and check out the neighborhood. So cute. Then as we go back through the bedroom, which closes out the second level, it too has a private and somewhat secluded bathroom. Lots of space, counter space, gorgeous shower. Again, let me just show you. How cute is that? I love that craft area. So we've now toured 2 floors. I can't wait to show you guys what's up on floor number 3.